to be a king.
It's not when you wear the crown, my son, but when you learn to carry its weight. A crown is not a prize. It is a burden of lives, of lands, of choices that cannot be undone.
When I'm a king, I'll take out all the bad guys.
A true king does not seek enemies, Basileus. He protects his people when enemies rise. A true king fights not for glory, but for those who cannot. If you remember that, you will be a better king than me. My king, I bring troubling words. Speak, Arcana. You do not enter my hall with that look unless the ground itself trembles. Scouts have returned from the eastern roads. There are whispers. No, more than whispers now. A rebel force is gathering deep within the Sile forest. Men bearing no banners, former soldiers, traitors, foreign blades bought with promises of gold and power. They move at night, quiet, organized, enough to burn villages, enough to challenge the crown, if the rumors are true. Rumors have teeth these days. Yes, my king, and this one bites hard. Some say the army answers to a single voice, a commander who knows our tactics, our weaknesses. Then they will learn our strength instead. Let them come. With respect, my king, if they strike from the forest, they will have the cover of darkness and surprise. I advise we ready the guard, double the watch, move the prince to safety. My son will not run from shadows, but I will not ignore them either. Ready the army. If war is coming to Sile, then Sile will meet it standing. By my life and blade, I will see it done. My king, the rebels. They're crossing the bridge. They attack now, and they are not leaderless. They are being led by your brother, Anax. The army is falling. We can't hold them. Anax, if this is the end of my reign, it will not be the end of my blood. Defend the gates. Use every resource we have left. Tonight, Arcana, we fight for honor, we fight for each other, and we fight for the kingdom of Sile. But if we fall, Arcana, protect the prince with your life. I promise with my life, my king. You will never be the true king of Sile. Basileus, run! Prince Basileus, over here! This way! Basileus, it was always your father's dream that you would one day sit upon the throne of Sile. Yet with the rise of your uncle Anax and his army, that dream has become a perilous challenge. But do not despair, for the hand of God himself has anointed you to bring freedom to the people of Sile and to our allies. Still, you are not yet strong enough to face your uncle. To prepare you, I have set trials for a true Sile warrior across this land. Through them, you will forge your strength, sharpen your spirit, and claim the skills worthy of a king. Remember, Basileus, the fate of Sile rests upon your shoulders. All our people look to you, and only you can deliver them from the shadow of Anax.